Jai Hind children, welcome in your maths class. In today's class we will start a new topic of algebraic expression. In this we will going to learn about how to multiply a monomial, that is having a single term expression, with a binomial, means expression having two terms. Okay, so let's see how we will do it and then we will move on to the exercise. So we have to take one monomial and we have to take a binomial and then we have to multiply them. So let's see children how I am doing. Okay, now see, I have taken this is one monomial having an expression having one term. Okay, now I have to multiply this with a binomial. Binomial means an expression which contains two terms. So let's take 3x plus 7y. 3x plus 7y. So how we will multiply it? Children, we will take the monomial first. This is the expression having single term. This will multiply one by one with each term. Okay, one by one with each term of this binomial. Like 4x will multiply with 3x plus first. Okay, 4x will multiply with 3x and then we will put this sign which is inside the bracket. This is positive, so write plus. Then 4x will again multiply with the second term. 4x will again multiply with the second term. Okay, now you can see you are having one term here and one term here of this binomial. Now we will multiply 4 into 3. 4 into 3. Numbers will be multiplied side by side. Then we will collect the variable x into x. So x into x. Can you see how I am writing x? I have seen some pages which you used to send in the WhatsApp group that x is written as multiplication sign. Then in future it may get confused to you also and for the examiner also. So it's better to write x in different way. Okay, if you are writing x in this way, it means sometimes someone may get confused that whether it is x variable or it is multiplication. So better to segregate it. Okay, this x into x. Now plus 4 will multiply with 7 and then x into y. X into y. Now 4 3s are 12. X into x. Power base is same children. Base is same, that is x. And we are multiplying them. So use the laws of exponent. Okay, in the previous chapter you have learned this. So x into x means x to the power 2. X to the power 2 plus 7 4s are 28. So we will write it 28 and then x into y. The signs are different, the variables are different children. One is x and one is y. So we can't multiply them, we can't add them, we can't add their power because base is not same right now. So we just write down x into y, xy, that's all. If the variables will be different, we write it as it is. If the variables will be same, then we will add their power. Okay, so in this way we can multiply a monomial with a binomial. Now quickly let's go to the exercise. Exercise 6C. Open your book children. See this I am having. Okay, and now we will start with question number 2. We will start with question number 2 children. So write down question number 2. It's 6th chapter now, that's why we are doing even parts. Okay, so write down write down exercise 6C, question number 2. I am erasing my board work. You also write down today's date and start doing it. Question number 2. Find the product of each of the following. 5a in a bracket, it is 6a minus 3b. 6a minus 3b. This is the question children. Let's see the question. See the board work. Okay, 5a is a monomial, and it is multiplying with this binomial containing two terms. One term is 6a, another term is minus 3b. So now we will start it. First 5a will multiply with 6a. So 5a will multiply with 6a. Now we will put this sign. What is the sign? Minus. So put minus sign. Now again this 5a will multiply with the second term which is inside the bracket. 5a will multiply with 3b. So 5a will multiply with 3b. In this way we will solve this. Now 5 into 6. Write down the number side by side. A into a. The variable side by side. Minus 5 into 3. 5 into 3 and then the variables. A is alone children. Now B is also alone. So 5 6 are 30. A into a square minus 5 3s are 15. A into B. Children, these are different, these are unlike terms, so we cannot add or subtract them. यहाँ पे subtract करने के लिए कहा गया है, but we cannot because it is having a square, it is having ab. Variables are also not matching as well as their power. If a square is there, so we need a square only in the other side so that we can add or subtract. But in this side it is having a only, power is not matching, and one more extra variable b is there. So these two are unlike terms and hence we cannot subtract them. So this is our final answer. This is our final answer. Okay. Now let's see question number 4. Question number 4 children. Write down question number 4. I am also writing. Hope you all are writing this. 9x square. 9x square. Then 5x plus 7. In a bracket 5x plus 7. This is our question children, which we have to multiply. We are having one monomial 9x square, we are having one binomial 5x plus 7 having two terms, and we have to multiply. Bracket sign itself says that you have to multiply. Now we will write the first one, this one. Okay, 9x square, and it will multiply with this first term inside the bracket. What is the first term? 5x. So multiply this 9x square with 5x. Now put this sign. This sign is positive, and then again 9x square will multiply with the 7. 9x square will multiply with 7. So write down 9x square will multiply with 7. Now children, collect the numbers first. 9 into 5, then variable x square into x square into x, plus again collect the numbers. 9 into 7, we have to multiply them, and then x square only. There is no other term here, no other variable here. So now we will multiply. 9 5s are 45. X and x bases are same and we are multiplying them. X and x base are same and we are multiplying them, so their power will be added. This is 2 and no power means 1. So x to the power 3, x to the power 3, plus 9 7 9s are 63. Okay, or 9 7s are 63, and then x square. Can you add them children? Come on. 45x cube will be added with 63x square? No, because variables are same. X and x in both the terms variables are same, that is x, but their powers are not same. Their power is different. Here it is 3, here it is 2. So they are unlike term. They are unlike term and we cannot add them. Okay, so till here we are having the final answer. Now children, let's see the next question. Question number 6. Write down question number 6. In question number 6, 2x square, then in a bracket it is 3x minus 4x square. 3x minus 4x square. 3x minus 4x square. Okay, see the question. This is the question. This is the monomial, and this inside the bracket having two term. It's an expression containing two term, so it is a binomial. Now we will multiply it. So 2x square will multiply with 3x first, and then 2x square will again multiply with 4x square. जितने भी टर्म होंगे ब्रैकेट के अंदर सबसे वो मल्टीप्लाई होगा. ठीक है. So 2x square will multiply with first term 3x, then put this sign, children. This is minus, then 2x square will again multiply with 4x square. Now collect the numbers which you have to multiply. 2 into 3, and collect the variables. Write down it side by side. X square into x minus 2 into 4. Sometimes children may used to write it directly, so you can write it directly, beta, but right now you are in the stage of class 7th, so it's better to write it in this way, so that you will never do any type of mistake. When you will go in senior classes, you can do it directly. You can skip this question, this particular step. You can do directly. 2 into 4, and then x square into x square. Now 2 3 ja 6. X and x bases are same, we have to add their power. So x cube minus 4 2s are 8. X and x bases are same, and we are multiplying them, so we will add their power. 2 plus 2, that is 4. X to the power 4. Same case here, children. We cannot subtract these two terms because they are unlike. Why they are unlike? They are having the same variable, so why they are unlike? Their power, the variable power 3, variable power 4, they are different. That is why we cannot add and subtract. They are unlike term. Okay. So till here we are having the answer. Next, children, question number 6. After 6, let me solve question number 8. I am solving question number 8. Then I will pick 9th also. Question number 8, because one rational number is there, that's why I thought that should I solve 6th, 7th or not, but 9 is also matching with it, so I will pick 9th question. Right now, write down question number 8. After 6, write down question number 8. It is minus 17x square. Minus 17x square is outside the bracket, and 3x minus 4. 3x minus 4. Children, it's very easy. Only you have to focus. No need to see that why the minus sign is there. Maybe it is difficult. No, it is not difficult. Only the thing is that your concept should be clear. What is the concept here? That if you will multiply same sign, then positive will come. If you will multiply different sign, negative will come. Have you remembered the integer chapter? If you are multiplying two numbers having the same sign, what will be the answer? 3 4s are 12. Minus minus will become plus. Same sign में plus आएगा if you are multiplying. If it is plus 3, yes, same sign है, plus plus. Answer will be 12, positive 12. But if anyone is having negative sign, one of them is having negative sign, so 3 4s are 12, number will be 12, but negative sign will come. This you have to remember, children, if you are doing this. Okay, everywhere. Now, what we have to do? It's a negative one, minus 17x square. So what? We will take the negative one. So take this and multiply with the first term. Minus 17x square will multiply with 3x. Okay, minus 17x square will multiply with the first term. And then what is the sign here? Minus, and then again minus 17x square. Now keep it in bracket, because see, you cannot write the signs side by side. अगर आप ऐसे लिखते हो तो it will be wrong, isn't it? So you can't write the number sign side by side. So because of this you have to keep it in a bracket. minus 17x square, let me make it small, minus 17x, this is minus, wait, minus, till here we have done minus 17x square into 3x, till here we have done this into this, here I have written. Now the sign will come down, minus, minus children, minus 17x square into 4, so minus 17x square into 4, in this way you can write. ये किससे मल्टीप्लाई होगा? अब 4 से. ये साइन आ चुका है बेटा यहाँ पे, तो ये साइन 4 के साथ नहीं जाएगा. Now 17 threes are 51. So write down 51 and minus sign will be there. I am doing it directly. Wait. Minus 17 into 3 and then x square into x. Minus 17 into 3, x square into x. Then minus of minus will become plus. Minus will become plus because it is in multiplication. 17 into 4. 17 into 4 x to the power 2 x square. Okay. Now 17 threes are 51 and minus sign will be there. Minus sign will be there children, because one is negative and one is positive. Now x into x square into x. X square into x means one, the base is same and you have to add their power. Base is same children, x and x, and you have to add their power. 2 plus 1, so it will be 3. Then plus 17 fours are children, 17 fours are 68. 17 fours are 68 and x square, only one term is there, so x square. Now can you add and subtract these two? Can you? Come on. This is x cube and this is x square. The variables are same, x and x, but power is not same. So yes, we cannot add them, we cannot subtract them because they are unlike term. They are unlike term. So till here our answer is. Now let's see the next question. Come on children, now we will do 9th question. We will do 9th question because it is different. So I am doing 9th question so that you can have a concept of this type of question also. Now I am writing it. You also write down question number 19. Question number 19 children. 9 children. Question number 9. 7 by 2 x square. 7 by 2 x square in a bracket 4 by 7x. 4 by 7x plus 2. This is the question. 7 by 2 x square, then 4 by 7x plus 2. Now see the question children. Yes, instead of a natural number or an integer, we are having a rational number. Nothing is changed, only the number, it is the form of number is different here. So why to worry? We will do the same process which we are doing till now. We will collect the monomial and we will multiply this monomial with the first term. So 7 by 2 x square will multiply with the first term, 4 by 7x. Okay, then plus sign, so write down plus sign. Again this term will multiply with 2. 7 by 2 x square will multiply with the second term into 2. Now we will collect the numbers. Okay, 7 by 2 into 4 by 7. See children, this is the use of collecting the number side by side. It will be cancelled now. 7 by 2 into 4 by 7, numbers are collected side by side. Now collect the variable x square into x. X square into x plus 7 by 2 into 2. 7 by 2 into 2 into x square. Now see, 7 1 is 7, 7 1 is 7, 2 1 is 2 and 2 2 is 4. So in numerator what is left? 2. In denominator 1. So I am not writing it. x square into x, x square into x. Come on, base same, power will be added, x to the power 3 plus 2 1 are 2, 2 1 are 2, cancel. What is left in numerator? 7, and x square is alone. So write down x square. So this is our answer. Okay, so in this way we have to solve questions. After question number 9, I will pick question number 10, 11 both. See question number 10. Write down question number 10, children. Again I have to give the concept, so that's why I am taking these two questions. Question number 10 you have to write. Okay, write down question number 10. Now when you will be writing question number 10, this is minus 4x square y, minus 4x square y, okay, and 3x square minus 5y, 3x square minus 5y. It is in bracket, children. It is a binomial, 3x square minus 5y. I have checked my question. Now see here. After writing, just check it. Before starting the solution, just check it whether you have written it correctly or not. Now, this monomial will multiply with the first term, and then again this monomial will be multiplied with the second term. So minus 4x square y will multiply with 3x square. Minus 4x square y will multiply with 3x square. Then write down this sign, children, minus, and now again this minus 4x square minus 4x square y will multiply with 5y, because this minus sign we have shifted here, so we will take 5y. Okay, no need to get confused. Now collect the numbers. Minus 4 into 3. Now collect the variables, x square. So x square into x square, and y is there also, so y. Now minus, just solve this bracket, minus 4 into 5, collected the number first. अभी bracket open नहीं है बेटा, so minus 4 into 5, then x square, then y into y into y. So we have collected the numbers, variables side by side. 4 3s are 12, minus 12. X square, x to the power 4, x to the power 4. Variables are same, we are multiplying them, so their power will be added, 4 हो जाएगा. And then y is alone. Now here minus 4 5s are 20, minus 20 है, x square, y and y, 2 y's are there, so y to the power 2. So minus 12x to the power 4y, minus will become plus 20x square y square. Children, can we add or subtract them? Come on. No. This minus and minus will become plus now. It's multiplication. Bracket means multiplication. Minus will become plus here. Now can we add and subtract them? No, children. Why? Because they are unlike terms. Variables are there, x है, y है, यहाँ पे भी x है, y है, but their power is not matching. Their power is not same. X to the power 4, तो यहाँ पे x square है. So yes, they are unlike, and we will not add and subtract them. ठीक है? Now let's see the next question, children. Next question is question number 11, and I will do question number 11 also. So better to write down. Okay, I am also writing it. It is question number 11. Write down it properly, children. Minus 4 by 27. Minus 4 by 27. And what is this? X, Y, Z. Okay, X, Y, Z. 3 variables are there. That's why I have picked this question. 9 by 2 x square y z. 9 by 2 x square y z, and then minus 3 by 4 x y z square. 3 by 4 x y z square. Now match your question. Match your question, children. Minus 4 by 27 x y z, 9 by 2 x square y z, minus 3 by 4 x y z square. Yes. Now we will start. We have matched the question and then we will start it. This monomial, this will multiply with the first term of binomial. ये binomial है, having two terms. So this monomial will multiply with the first term and then again this monomial will multiply with the second term. So just write down minus 4 by 27 x y z पूरा ले लिया बेटा, multiply it with this 9 by 2 x square y z. Okay, now we will write down this negative sign. Whatever the sign is here, write down. Again we will collect this. You can write it in a bracket also. Minus 4 by 27 x y z. It will be multiplied with this 3 by 4 x y z square. x y z square. ठीक है, पहले ये मल्टीप्लाई हुआ फर्स्ट टर्म से एंड देन राइट डाउन दिस साइन एंड बेटर टू राइट इट इन अ ब्रैकेट बिकॉज ये माइनस हो गया तो ब्रैकेट में ही लिख लीजिए दिस मल्टीप्लाई बाय दिस and we will take the positive because this minus is here. Okay, so it's positive right now. Now minus 4 by 27 will multiply with 9 by 2. Number will multiply with number. X into x square, x into x square, y into y, y into y, and z into z, z into z. Then minus 4 by 27 will multiply with 3 by 4, then x will multiply with x, then y will multiply with y, and z will multiply with z square, and then keep it in a bracket. Means you have to write down the variable side by side. Minus 4 by 27 into 3 by 4, x into x written side by side, y into y written side by side, or z into z square is also written. Now 2 2s are 4 and 9 3s are 27. So what is left? Minus 2 by 3. Minus will also be there. Okay, minus 2 by 3. Then यहाँ पे 2 यहाँ पे लिख देते हैं थोड़ा. Okay, 2. Now x into x square, it will be x cube. x into x square will become x cube. Power will be added. ठीक है, बेस सेम है, पावर ऐड हो गया. y into y will become y square. 1 and 1, it will become 2. Then z into z will become z square. Power will be added. Now minus inside the bracket 4 से 4 cancel, 3 9s are 27. So minus 1 is in numerator and 9 is in denominator. X into x, children, x square. Y into y, y square. And z into z square is z to the power 3. z into z square है तो 2 plus 1 3 हो गया, z to the power 3. ठीक है, now open this bracket. Minus 2 by 3 x cube y square z square. Minus will become plus 1 by 9 x square y square and z cube. This will be your final answer. ठीक है, ये माइनस क्या हो जाएगा, प्लस हो जाएगा. और नाउ कैन यू एड एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट देम? कैन यू? नो, बिकॉज ये 3 है, यहाँ पे 2 है बेटा, यहाँ पे z की पावर 2 है तो यहाँ z की पावर 3 है. Variables are there, they are matching, but their power is not matching. So it means they are unlike term and we cannot add and subtract them. Okay, so in this way you can do till question number 11. Till question number 11, do all questions from your own side, children. It is very interesting and you may feel very happy after doing these things. Till then, take care and complete your work.